Everybody, Rob Russell here. Today is February the 19th, 2020. I want to announce two sessions that I'm going to be doing through Zoom meetings that you can attend. One is for role playing for realtors. This one is going to be good for the real estate community because what it's going to teach you is the importance of role playing. Role playing has been, from the classes that I've taught, very exciting. It's fun. People learn a lot because what they do is they get involved with other realtors and learn what to say and what not to say. The good thing about it is this is usually as close to real life as you can get, because the realtors that are involved in the role playing have to learn what to say and what not to say. And the ones doing the other side, as if they were the client, they know exactly what they've heard when they've been on appointments. So under the realtor role playing sessions, we're going to go over for sale by owner role playing. We're going to go over expireds role playing, how to call expireds. We're going to go over the listing appointment, what to say and what not to say in a listing appointment. I think this is very valuable. A lot of realtors will go out there and just vomit and throw up and talk forever, and they lose the listing because they outsold themselves. They actually talk so much that the person got uninterested because they outsold themselves. The buyer's appointment, what to say when getting a first-time buyer. This is real important because getting a buyer to have a level of trust with you is extremely important. Getting the buyer's rep agreement. Now, I think this is probably one of the most important things when working with a buyer, because you want to get that buyer's rep agreement before you start showing them houses. And you know what to, and you need to know what to say so that you don't blow the deal and they're not scared because they think that you're trying to screw them. The next thing is getting the buyer to understand that they need to be pre-approved before you start working with them. A lot of realtors will go out there and they will get the pre-approval letter after they have shown many houses. That's not a good idea. The best idea is to get that pre-approval letter before you start, and you need to know what to say in that process. Working on offers, how to handle offers. I talked to a realtor yesterday and she told me that her buyer's agents were getting too involved in the conversations and they were taking it personal. And that's what you need to understand, that you can't take an offer personal. This is a business decision. All you are is to give advice or opinion to the buyer or to the seller or to the buyer and present that offer to the other side. That's it. It's a business decision. You've got to treat it like a business. How to deal with working counter offers and backup agreements. This is also important. The next thing is how to learn to work with investors. Investors are a different breed because they see a transaction as purely business. They have no emotion in it whatsoever. And so you need to know how to handle this. So that takes care of the first session. For sell by owners and all that other stuff that I went over, real estate role playing. Let me show you what it looks like, what the role playing session will look like. I'm going to do a share screen. And this is basically what it's going to look like. You're going to have your video will be on here. And what I would recommend is not to be a chicken and just call in like these two people did, but to show your face, because we need to see your facial expression. How you come across on the phone is very important to getting the listing being able to come across, if you have a frown on your face, I can guarantee you that's going to come across when you're talking to people. So this is real important, is to have a positive looking face even when they can't see you. So let me stop that one. The next training that I'm going to do, which is also going to be through a Zoom meeting, is insurance role playing. Many insurance agents will go out there and, again, they will talk way too much. The key to getting insurance appointments, selling insurance over the phone, is to ask the right questions and quit trying to teach them everything you know about insurance. They don't care about everything you know. All they care about it is what's in it for me. So if you want to be a part of the insurance role playing or the real estate role playing, you're going to need to subscribe to these videos so that you'll get updates on when the next video is coming out. If you miss it, if you subscribe right here, then you'll also get the video that's put out in case you missed it live. But this is going to be great if you want to learn how to sell real estate, or if you want to learn how to sell insurance. Be sure and be a part of my YouTube channel. Subscribe to these videos because you are going to learn a lot. I've been doing this training, this sort of training for insurance people, for real estate. For insurance people, I've been doing this sort of training for 34 years. I've been licensed for 35 years. I became a manager after my first year in the business, and I've been training insurance agents for 34 years. So I do know a little bit about what I'm talking about. And for the real estate community, I've been doing real estate for 20 years, and I've been doing real estate training for all of those 20 years. Be sure and subscribe to my videos, and we will keep you updated on the next video that's coming out and the next live Zoom meeting that you can be a part of. All of these sessions are free. It's not going to cost you anything. Just attend. And if you miss it, then we'll send you the video or put it on YouTube for you to follow. I'm not going to send out the links to the videos. The only way to know what you missed is to subscribe, and that way you'll know. Let me show you. I'm going to go back to the share screen again. I'm going to show you how to subscribe so that you get automatic updates. Let's go to this video here.
Get your business insured in 10 minutes or less with
turn that down.
Insurance.
So here's what you do. If you want to subscribe to a video, what you're going to do is you're going to see, when you see this on my channel, you'll hit subscribe. And then this little bell, what you're going to want to do is click on all. That way, if you click on all, it'll send an email to you as soon as the video is posted. And you'll know immediately that a new video has just come out on YouTube. That way, we don't have to send you the link, which I'm not going to do. This is very time consuming. So again, subscribe, hit the bell to all, and you'll automatically get notified anytime a new video has been posted. So that is it for today. This is going to be huge. I've done these trainings for years. People love role playing because they learn a lot. And it's also kind of fun because we verbally abuse people, and it's a blast. All right, well, so that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos. They're coming, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye now.